In this video we'll unbox, test and do a short review on the JBL Charge 5. Hey, what's up? Adrian here and welcome to the Unbox. I wanted to step up from the JBL Flip lineup into a higher volume, better sound speaker, so let's see how the JBL Charge 5 holds up. Alright, the JBL Charge 5. So I've already cut this too. Alright, classic magnet JBL box opening, unboxing. So we have this and then we have the speaker. Right, so before we take the speaker out, let's just see what's inside this. Okay, so we have the quick start guide, and then I'm not gonna use this. I have the cable, of course. So we have around 1 meter cable, quite good, USB-C of course. So now let's put this on the side and let's take the speaker out. Right. Have this interesting thing here, and then the JBL speaker, which is noticeably bigger than the Flip lineup, and that's everything we have in the box. Let's check this out. So as always, the JBL portable speakers look really good, and on the Charge 5 we have this new logo. It did came out like 1 year ago, but this is the first time we've seen the logo on a portable speaker, the new logo. Even before we had the new logo on the Flip 6. It does have this rubber feet, which are quite good for holding the speaker like in a position that would allow it like to not go around and, you know, just flip like this. I have these buttons here which are really clicky and nice. We also have really handy here in the middle the battery level, and of course we also have this new design for the drivers. And in the back here we have the charging port, the USB-C, and then we also have protected here a USB-A, and you can use this as a power bank as well. So while you're listening to music, you can also charge your phone, maybe if you're running out of battery. So this is a heavier speaker, this is a bigger speaker than the Flip lineup, and it's a bit less portable than that, but I am looking to step up, so let's hear how this sounds. One thing to mention here is that this also works with the JBL app, which lets you change a few things on the app, like the equalizer, like the bass, treble and the mids, so you can customize a bit how it sounds. Let's power the speaker on. Right, classic JBL sound. It should actually show on this, but we'll press the Bluetooth button to make it discoverable, yeah, easier. So JBL Charge 5 soon, right? And now, like usual, let's play some songs from our favorite music licensing platform, which is artlist.io. Alright, let's go to 50% now. And now we're going to the highest volume to see how it sounds. The highest volume, it seems like okay, it does sound very good. So the highs just go a bit over, should be just a tiny bit lower in volume. We can set from the app. You can have the highest volume without problem, and you can put it in the corner and it will be just fine. It does sound quite loud, louder than the JBL Flip 6. I'm not sure by how much. The quality is there, everything is there. I'm not sure by how much it's louder. We might do a comparison on that, so stay tuned for that as well. Now let's try another song. That was a really good song by Frank Bentley. If you want to check it out on the artlist.io, link in the description. You can get 2 months for free. And it does look really good. It does sound really good. Check the app. Of course, I already have the app because I've done the unboxing and review on the JBL Flip 6. If you want to check that out, right there. Now let's see the app, searching for product. It's really hard to find the JBL Charge 5, so yeah, we'll have to wait. Turning it off and on sometimes helps, sometimes it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't want to find it because we have quite low battery there. Alright, let's try and plug it in. Okay, Back to the Future. It's not working, basically. We might have to do a hard reset on this one. With this occasion, I'll show you how to do it as well. So to do that, you just need to press the play and plus button together until you're gonna see like the light around this power and Bluetooth buttons light up, and then it will just shut down. And then you can take the hands off the buttons, press this once, the power button once, and now it goes straight into Bluetooth pairing, and we'll also turn off the Bluetooth from the phone, then turn on again. And if we try and connect, it says unsuccessful connection, forget the device. And then if it doesn't pop up, we'll try again to switch the Bluetooth off and then on, giving a couple of seconds. JBL Charge 5. And now we press the connect and we are connected. Now let's try again the JBL app, which it still doesn't work. Still searching for the product. Right, I think we'll skip the app. So if you want to check the app, you can check it on the unboxing or the review of the JBL Flip 6. So coming to the short review on this, it sounds really good. Just a tiny bit the highs go up on the highest volume, like they are very tiny bit annoying, but we should have been able to do that from the app, but I'm not sure why it's not connecting, because it should work with the app and you should be able to do exactly the same thing like on the JBL Flip 6, but for some reason it doesn't want to connect and I'm not sure why. I will probably troubleshoot this in the days to come, and when I come with the review I should be able to connect with the app. But as I said, it sounds really good, and I know the volume is higher than the Flip 6. I'm not sure by how much, but it does feel like better overall. And I also can, if I want to charge my phone, if I run out of battery, like now, like I'm low on battery as well, right? So I think it's a really good speaker for going out as well. You should definitely check it out. Check the JBL Flip 6 review next. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of videos. It would help me out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.